research, and then create Relief Factor to help people with back, neck, shoulder, hip, or knee pain. And that's exactly what they did.
In my 40s, I had an accident, was in substantial pain. I heard on the radio about the 3-week quick start. By the end of the quick start package, I was substantially out of pain. Within 3 months, I was back to being active and doing the things that I love.
Pain from getting older, exercise, or even everyday living can keep you from sleeping through the night, exercising, or going on walks, or even going up or down stairs, which is why we created a 3-week quick start and then discounted it to only $19.95, about $1 a day, to see if it'll work for you too. Go to relieffactor.com, relieffactor.com, or call 800.
It's so close you can almost taste it. It's your retirement. Do you have a written recipe for your retirement? Are you missing any ingredients? Tune in Saturday mornings at 10 and Sundays at noon for Massey on Money. Join Jeff Massey of Massey and Associates Inc. as he discusses how to find the right mix for your retirement recipe. Massey on Money with Jeff Massey, Saturday mornings at 10 and Sundays at noon. Investment advisory services offered only by duly registered individuals through AE Wealth Management, LLC.
Now, another iHeartRadio COVID-19 vaccine update.
The call is on for us to get it. Stay healthy. Health and Human Services.
I really believe. Think and how they do.
Weather station, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM, WHJJ, Providence, an iHeartRadio station.
I'm Jim Gagliardi, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here are the top local stories we're following. A teen now facing murder charges in connection to a double homicide in Fall River. Bristol County DA's office announcing they're filing 2 murder counts against 18-year-old Jeremy Holmes. He's also facing a new count of assault and battery with a firearm. He and another man are in custody in connection to a shooting that left a 29-year-old man, Javon Antonio Mills, and a 14-year-old dead last week. A third person also shot but is recovering. While people are ready to unofficially kick off summer this weekend, Mother Nature has other plans. Temperatures forecast to drop this weekend with highs in the 60s on Saturday, maybe not getting out of the 50s on Sunday, and rain will also move in late Friday, continue through much of Saturday morning. Thousands of people expected to hit the road to welcome summer this holiday weekend. First responders across Rhode Island urging people to make safety a priority. Officials say make sure your vehicle is equipped with a first aid kit, fresh water, non-perishable snacks. Also have your cell phone charger with you. Make sure the phone is charged before you leave home. It's also important to keep an eye on the forecast, have a way to receive emergency or weather alerts. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
An optimistic outlook for the economy. I'm Rich Dennison, Fox News. President Biden today telling a group at a community college in Cleveland that the economy is recovering from the pandemic and passage of his infrastructure plan will help Americans across the country.
Now's the time to build the foundation that we've laid, to make bold investments in our families, in our communities, in our nation.
Senate Republicans today unveiled their latest counteroffer to the president's proposal, which includes about $1 trillion for improvements to roads, rails, bridges, airports, broadband, and other key infrastructure components. They say much of the funding would come from unused COVID relief money, but the White House says those funds are not available. The Biden administration informed Russia today that will not rejoin the Open Skies Treaty, even as the two sides prepare for a summit next month between their leaders. The treaty allowed surveillance flights over military facilities in both countries. President Biden and Russian President Putin are scheduled to meet next month in Geneva. The Senate is preparing to vote on a House-passed measure which would create a bipartisan panel to investigate the January 6th violence at the U.S. Capitol. Gladys Sicknick, the mother of Capitol Police Officer Brian Sicknick, who died after suffering a stroke following the attack, urged lawmakers to pass the bill. Senate Republicans have opposed the bill, saying it's a political hit job. 10 Republicans would need to join Democrats for its passage. Santa Clara County, California Sheriff Lori Smith says the gunman who killed 9 people at a San Jose commuter rail yard yesterday fired 39 shots and appeared to target some of the victims. Smith said the shooter told at least one person, "I'm not going to shoot you." The gunman then shot other people with 2 semi-automatic handguns. He later shot himself as deputies closed in. America's listening to Fox News.